Now, exercise 12.2, 11th question. A car has two wipers which do not overlap. Each wiper has a blade of length 25 cm sweeping through an angle of 115 degree. Find the total area cleaned at each sweep of the blades. So it is given R is equal to 25 and theta is equal to 115 degree. Now you are asked to find out the area of sector. So area of sector is equal to pi r square theta by 360, where pi value 3.14 you can find 25 into 25 into 115 by 360. Now you can cancel here. Now multiply that value. This is the area of one sector. Two blades are there. So total area will be 2 into this one 3.14 into 25 into 5 125 into 115 by 72. Let me multiply and write here. Now we are getting 1253.81 centimeter square. Okay, that is the area covered by two blades. Okay, now 12th one is see, to warn ships for underwater rocks, a lighthouse spreads a red colored light over a sector of angle 80 degree to a distance of 16.5 kilometer. Find the area of the sea over which the ships are warned. So it is given angle theta is equal to 80 degree and distance r is equal to 16.5 kilometer. Okay, so 16.5 kilometer. So that area of that sector, if we have noticed the lighthouse spread its angle like this, it will be like a sector only. Okay, so the area of sector you are asked to find out. Area of sector is equal to pi r square theta by 360. So pi value 3 point, it is given, you have to take 3.14 multiply by 16.5, again 16.5 by 80 into 360. Now multiply these all values. So 189.97 kilometer square. So that much kilometer square, that much area it will be covered by the lighthouse. Okay, now 13th question. A round table cover has 6 equal designs as shown in the figure 12.14. If the radius of the cover is 28, find the cost of making the designs at the rate of 0.35 per centimeter square. Now look at this figure given there. So a circle is there, one hexagon is drawn here. That means you are asked to find out the design area of this design. So only the radius of the cover, that is radius of the circle, is given. Angle you are asked to find out. So how to find out the angle? Let us join this one. Now look at here, you are getting, okay, you are getting 6 equal parts there. That means each angle will be 360 divided by 6. That means each one will be 60 degree. Okay, now each one is 60. So how will you find this one portion? This design is the segment. So how to find out the area of segment? Area of the sector, that's this much portion, minus area of the triangle. Now which type of triangle it is? The central angle it is given 60, means these two are radius. That means each one will be 28 and 28. That means what? It is an isosceles triangle. We have already discussed such type of problem before also. So it is an equilateral triangle, it will come, equilateral triangle. Okay, so this angle also 60, this angle also 60, and all sides it will be equal. That is, each one will be 28, 28 and 28. Okay, now to find out the area of segment, area of the sector minus area of equilateral triangle. How to find out the area of equilateral triangle? By using the formula root 3a square by 4. So let us do that one, 13th one. So area of one portion we will find out, then multiply it with 6. Okay, 6 designs are there, one portion we will find out first, multiply it with 6, you will get total area, total designed area, then multiply it with 0.35 to get how much rupees you have to spend. So area of segment is equal to area of sector minus area of triangle, that is equilateral triangle. So it will be pi r square theta by 360 minus root 3a square by 4. Now our r was 20, what is 28, and theta was 60. So it will be pi, so 22 by 7 pi r square, so 28 into 28 into 60 by 360 minus root 3 a square. A is already 28 into 28 by 4. So here 7 and 28 you can cut, then 60 and 360 you can cut, 22 and 3 11. Now you have to multiply that one, 44 into 28 by 3 minus root 3 value is given there, 1.73 into 28 into 28 you can 7, So 28 into 7. Okay. So find out this value. Forty-four into 28 by 3, that is equal to 410.66. 1.77 into 28 into 7 is equal to 333.2. Difference you are getting 77.46. Then it is the area of one segment. 6 segments are there, so multiply that with 6. So you are getting 460.76. Then rate, how will you find out? Multiply that area with the given for 1 centimeter square, how much? That is 0.35 paise. That is, multiply, when you are multiplying this one, you are getting 162.66 rupees. Okay, so this much rupees we need to make a design like that. Okay, now 14th question, you see, it is an MCQ. Tick the correct answer in the following. Area of sector of angle P of a circle with radius r. So angle theta is equal to P and radius is equal to capital R. So what is the area of sector? Area of sector is equal to pi r square theta by 360. Here theta is equal to P. So pi capital R square P by 360. Now let us look at this one, whether that value is there. First one, it is given P by 180 into 2 pi R. So R square should come, so we can avoid that one. So this one also we can avoid because R square should come. Now look at that second one, P into pi R square by 180. 180 will not come, no, because it is 360. Now these three we can avoid. Fourth one is pi by 720 by 2 pi r square. That 2 and 720 get cancelled. So it will be P into pi r square by 360. That is the area of the sector. So option D is the correct answer. Okay, so how it will come? P into 2 pi r square by 720. That 2 and 720 will get cancelled, 360. So P into pi r square by 360, that is what we want. So correct answer is D, option D.